The chart which you are seeing is a ETF which track the leading software companies such as APP, Microsoft, ServiceNow. I would like to review this chart, and based on that, we will see what are the trading opportunity we can have. So let's get started. Currently I am on IGB on a weekly time frame, and let's form our bias. So let me establish where are the support and resistance. If we see, this is where the major support present, and on a weekly time frame this was a resistance. And if we see from this resistance zone, price made a lower low but unable to sustain below this level. If this was a true breakdown, then we could have gone below this level and could have reach up to this level, which is around 66, but buyers quickly bought back this level and price made a higher high. Now it's looking quite bullish. Since couple of days we have a one two three four five green candle on a weekly time frame, and this resistance becomes support, flip happen. And if you mark the resistance zone, which can be potential future target, so this is one of the resistance zone. The another resistance zone is this one. So let's see how much percentage potential we have to the upside. So if we mark from the last week close, so we are seeing like 7% to the upside. And if we if you target this high, then you have a 20% opportunity for the IGV. One of the ticker I would like to pick up is PANW. Currently I'm on a monthly chart, and if you see from monthly support and resistance perspective, this is a major support. Buyers were present here couple of times. In Feb it was present, here it was present, and in the February month of 2026 buyers were present here. And after the low has established, if we see last 3 months candle is quite bullish, especially the third one. We have a solid bullish candle, and this was the all-time high level, and we have a breakout of this all-time high. So on a monthly time frame, if you see monthly time frame, it's looking quite bullish. And the range we have, consolidation range, is around 800 days. So we are likely going to have a follow through after the consolidation, uh, because the more the consolidation is, the higher the expansion is. So if we have a established range, and the established range is more than 700 or 800 days, and we have a breakout, then we will see the explosive breakout towards the upside. So that's the concept. And I don't want to buy it here at the moment because the risk to reward is not good. But in case we get a retest of all-time high, then it's really good opportunity. So I would like to buy it here, keeping a small stop loss around 213. So the stop loss can be $8. So $8 stop loss you can keep. And for the target, for the all-time high breakout strategy, I always use a Fibonacci from the high to the low, and wherever the 161.8 level is, I would like to keep that as a target. Next ticker is APP. So currently I am on monthly time frame, and if you see on a monthly time frame, this was the resistance previously. We have this consolidation zone. So this was a failed breakout towards the downside. We have reclaimed back. Then we have established couple of month this consolidation range. Then we have a breakout, and then this was a retest of this breakout. And if you see last 2 month candle is looking bullish. I really would like to see the prices above this high, which is a March high, for the target of 684. So this could be my target. Let's switch towards the weekly time frame now. So on a weekly time frame, if you see, this was the consolidation. Then we have another consolidation here, and in case we reclaim this level, so in case we reclaim this level and backtest as a support, then we have a room towards the left hand side for targeting a 680 level. So the second trade idea is buying above the 520. Make sure that on a daily time frame you have a bullish breakout, with some bullish engulfing or some bullish candlestick it form, then only you enter into position, and stop loss go to the day low. So that is always my criteria because of the risk to reward, and I would like to target 680 level. So which is a decent risk to reward. Even if you, let's say, if you enter at 540, then also you will get around 1 is to 3 risk to reward, which is quite decent. I can take anything above 1 is to 2 anytime. Next ticker is Microsoft. Let's switch towards the monthly time frame, and let's draw some support and resistance on a monthly time frame. So if we see, this is a major support on a monthly time frame. uh, Whenever the price comes around 370, we have seen a buyers lot of time, and this time also buyers were present. Price made a higher high on a monthly time frame, and this was the high of the this is the high of the April month. And if we look towards the left hand side, basically this level, we have formed the consolidation zone. This was the consolidation, and basically it's consolidating. So the trading idea can be, once we get above the consolidation high, so which is above 440, then we can target this level, which is a 550 level. At the moment, it's looking quite dicey. It's in the consolidation zone, but above 440, I think it's look quite promising. Let's switch towards the weekly time frame, and let's see. If we see on a weekly time frame, this is a huge bullish candle, followed by this is a consolidation or inside bar, we can say, and any breakout above this high, which is a 433, we are likely going to have a follow-up. So basically it's like a flag pattern, up move followed by consolidation. This is like a bull flag, and then we will go towards the upside. Keep in mind that we have a gap here. So let me switch towards the smaller time frame and regular trading hours. So we have a gap here. If you see, this is a gap. So anything above 440, uh, price will quickly go towards the 480 range. So this is a 10% range you can capture. So my trading idea on Microsoft is buying above 440 level. This is a 440, and I want to keep a smaller stop loss, like $5 stop loss you can keep. Make sure that on a daily time frame you have a some bullish candle for the breakout, and the target is you can target a gap fill level um, around 480, or you can target this level 590. That's about the swing trade idea. Guys, please like and subscribe so that I can make more video. Thanks a lot.